Come here, mama. Hi, baby. This is my precious baby. Hi, mama. Look how skinny she is. She has kidney disease, so. Why are you crying? Why are you crying, mama? Why are you crying, mama? What happened? What happened? She's adorable, I know. She's an angel. Bye, mama. Okay, you can hang out here. Just in my closet, okay? Tongue check, right? Is that what you guys want? Hi, baby. Are you in Westchester? What's that? Goodbye. I wish push-up. I told you I can't do push-ups. Tongue. Nope, no piercing in there. Oops. Oopsie daisy. What's sharp? My tongue? It's too cold to do a plank. I mean, to put a bikini. I'm sorry. Show us aging? What are you talking about? Do a countdown at 70K. I'll do a countdown from 10. Oh, you're inside. Inside it's cold. I'm a little bit cold right now. You need to chill with the tongue shit. Me? Oh, here's an interesting question. If you didn't know my name, what do I look like? I thought y'all were being mean to me. Don't be mean to me. Please. I look like an Erica, a Gabby or Gianna, Destiny, Loop, Alyssa, Angel. I am Angel. What's a weird face? I am a fan of The Weeknd, yes. Mia Khalifa, Isabella. That's interesting. My name be Lana. Squeeze that